Kia ora everyone. Today I'm going to talk about oxygen efficiency in your body and how you can measure that and what you can do about it if your efficiency is low. So what we're going to do is firstly we're going to introduce you to what's called the bulk test, or the body's oxygen level test. And what this does is it determines your tolerance to, or intolerance as such, to carbon dioxide levels in your body. So imagine when, if some of you have done breath work before, or you've held your out breath, you'll get this urge to breathe. What's happening is there is more carbon dioxide in your body, and when the carbon dioxide oxygen balance becomes more carbon dioxide, what's going to happen is that it's going to send a signal to your brain to say you need to breathe now. So you get this urge to breathe and you have to breathe. Now, if you've had things like asthma, anxiety, stress, or you may have COPD or other things like that, it means usually that your measurement is going to be a lot lower than other people. And how do we measure this? And it's by doing a simple exercise that involves having a timer. So maybe you've got a watch, or maybe you have your iPhone, you can put on the timer mode. And all I want you to do is to just breathe in and out as you normally would, not any forced breathing, nothing like that, just a normal breath in and out, and maybe do this for 10 seconds. Now, on the last breath, on your out breath, just pause it and push the timer and relax and see how long it takes until you get that first little urge to breathe. And as soon as you feel that urge to breathe, stop the timer. And that will tell you at that time what your tolerance is to carbon dioxide. Now, if you're going to do this like on a weekly basis or whatever to test or benchmark where you are, then I recommend you do it at the same time every day, just like if you're weighing yourself or things like that. So that's the test, how that works. Now, if you do it and you find that your oxygen level is at 20 seconds, then that's pretty normal. Okay, if you're below that in the tens, then you need to do some work on your respiratory system and your breathing. Okay, if you want to improve it, to optimize, then you want to get up into the 40s, because then, for example, you might be going for a run, right? And on your run, normally you'll be breathing through your mouth. We don't want that. Okay, you'll be better off to go slower and continue to breathe through your nose, because that'll actually help. Or if you're walking, for example, and you want to improve that level of tolerance to carbon dioxide, then hold your breath for out breath. Your out breath, hold it. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out, just normal out breath, like I said, and see how far you can walk. Okay, and that will once you then have to breathe in, then you breathe in. You can go a bit further too and push yourself further as well. If you start to get a bit lightheaded, just stop and take some breaths in and recover, but always breathe in through the nose. You can go further from that. Like I said, you could do running, you could run and try that by holding your breath. You could actually even do lunges or squats or whatever and try that too. And that's a way to increase that oxygen efficiency in your body.